you struggle with managing your finances? Or perhaps you're unsure where your hard-earned money disappears each month? Worry not, as today we're going to unravel the art of budgeting, particularly crafted for Indian beginners. First, let's define a budget. It's a financial plan that helps you keep track of your income and expenses. It's a tool that allows you to make informed decisions about your money. Although it may seem daunting at first, budgeting is a simple process that can be broken down into manageable steps. Step 1. Track your income. This includes your salary, any extra earnings from side hustles, rental income, or other regular income sources. Make a note of all these, along with the frequency of receipt, whether monthly, weekly, and so on. The second step is to track your expenses. This is a hurdle for many. It's useful to categorize your expenses into essential and non-essential. Essential expenses encompass rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. Non-essential expenses include dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. For precise tracking, retain all your receipts for a month or use budgeting apps like Mint or Monofi. Thirdly, calculate your net income. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. The remainder is your net income, the money you can save or invest after covering all your expenses. Fourthly, set your financial goals. Perhaps you want to save for a house, a car, a wedding, or a child's education. Clear and specific financial goals will keep you motivated and centered on your budget. Finally, allocate your net income. Once you have your net income and financial goals in hand, you can distribute your remaining funds into different categories. Aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. This can go towards your financial goals or serve as an emergency fund. Consider investing your savings to grow your wealth over time. Evaluate options like mutual funds, PPF, NPS, or stocks based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards. Allocate enough to cover your essential expenses comfortably. Set a realistic budget for non-essential expenses and avoid overspending. Remember to consider your family's needs and cultural expenses. In India, family often takes precedence, and the culture involves various social obligations and celebrations. Include these in your budget. Start small. Don't aim to change your entire financial life overnight. Start by making minor changes and gradually build good financial habits. Seek professional help if needed. Remember, building a budget is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time fix, but a journey that requires continuous monitoring, adjustments, and adaptation. By following these steps and staying committed, you can master the art of budgeting and achieve your financial goals. This beginner's guide to budgeting is your first step towards financial literacy and security. So, embark on this journey today and take control of your financial future.